Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the realm of comfort and functionality with what I believe to be the best baggy track pants available, the Deyeek men's tear-away basketball pants. These pants aren't just your ordinary pair of sweatpants. They're a game-changer, designed with innovation and practicality in mind. Whether you're recovering from surgery, hitting the gym, or simply lounging at home, these pants have got you covered. So, what sets these pants apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the material. Crafted from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, these pants are not only soft and cozy but also incredibly durable. They're built to last, so you can trust them to withstand whatever life throws your way. Now, let's talk functionality. These pants feature not one, but two side zippers that run from the waistband all the way down to the ankle. This unique design allows for quick and easy removal, making them perfect for post-surgery recovery or simply cooling down after a workout. But that's not all. The elastic waistband and side zipper ensure a comfortable and secure fit, while the deep pockets provide ample storage space for your essentials. Plus, they come in a range of colors to suit your personal style. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate blend of style and functionality, look no further than the Deyeek men's tear-away basketball pants. Trust me, once you try them on, you'll never want to take them off. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay stylish and stay comfortable.